Hey everyone, welcome back to another maths tutorial. In this lesson, we're learning about circle geometry and the 9 main circle theorems. Circle theorems describe the special relationships between angles, chords, tangents, and radii in a circle. Let's start with the first rule. Tangents meet the radius at 90 degrees. A tangent is a line that touches a circle at exactly one point. The radius drawn to that point is always perpendicular to the tangent, forming a right angle. Next, the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. When two chords form an angle at the center and the same angle on the circle edge, the center angle is always double. The third rule is that angles in the same segment are equal. If two angles stand on the same arc of a circle, they are always equal, no matter where they are drawn on the circumference. Number 4. A triangle drawn in a semicircle always makes a right angle. The diameter forms the base of the triangle, and the opposite angle is exactly 90 degrees, number 5. The opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. That means if a four-sided shape is drawn inside a circle, opposite corners always sum to a straight line, number 6. Tangents from the same external point are equal in length. If two tangents touch the same circle from outside the point of contact, the tangents are the same length. Number 7. The radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. This confirms that a radius drawn to the tangent makes a 90-degree angle. Number 8. The angle between the tangent and a chord equals the angle in the opposite segment. This is called the alternate segment theorem. It's one of the most useful ones for solving tricky angle problems. And finally, number 9. The perpendicular from the center to a chord bisects the chord. In other words, it cuts the chord exactly in half. So to summarize, circle theorems describe beautiful relationships within a circle. Tangents meet radii at right angles in the same segment are equal, and the alternate segment theorem helps us find unknown angles. These rules are the foundation for solving circle geometry problems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maths tutorials.